In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more charts to your dashboard in Insightly. So, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, simply search for Insightly in the search bar. This will bring you to the login page of Insightly, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Take a moment to ensure your login details are correct, and then hit that login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you're greeted by the main Insightly menu. From here, navigate over to Dashboards. This section is your gateway to customizing the data views that matter most to you. Once you're in the Dashboards section, you'll need to select the dashboard you wish to edit. It's important to note that adding new charts is only possible for dashboards that you've personally created. If you're working with standard dashboards, you won't be able to make these edits. You can easily switch between different dashboard categories by clicking on the Dashboard drop-down menu. With the correct dashboard selected, let's locate our main focus area, which is the dashboard you want to add more charts to. At the end of the dashboard row, you'll see a More option icon. Clicking on this will give you several options, and among these, you want to select Create New Card. This is where the magic happens, where your ideas take visual form. Moving on to configuring your new card. Start by giving your chart a suitable title and description. These fields are essential as they help you and your team understand the purpose and the insights this chart is meant to provide. It's a good practice to keep the title concise yet descriptive enough to convey the chart's focus. Next up, you need to choose the type of chart you want to display from the options available. Insightly provides a variety of chart types, so consider what will best represent your data and provide the clearest insight into your metrics. Once you've selected the chart type, it's time to identify the data source. From the drop-down menu, decide whether you want information from opportunities, leads, projects, or any other data category available. After selecting your source, enhance your chart's relevance by organizing the fields. Drag text fields, dates, or Boolean fields, such as lead source or created date, into the designated Drag Field Here boxes. For fields that can be quantified, like opportunity amount or ticket count, these should be placed in the Drop Field Here boxes. This step is important for accurate calculation visuals on your chart. If you wish to filter the data further, you can do this by dragging specific fields into the Filters section, which refines what your chart displays. Finally, once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save to add your newly created chart to your dashboard. You'll find your chart now appears as a card on your dashboard, ready for you to resize or rearrange as needed. And there you have it, a new chart added to your Insightly dashboard.